Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. It's great to be back with you folks. Got an awesome recipe coming at you tonight. We're going to do some sirloins, some shrimp. We're going to do some surf and turf. Surf and turf. So I'm going to go ahead and let these marinate a little bit in the balsamic vinegar. And then we'll come back, we'll get the rub on there. We got some coffee, garlic. This would be some Cajun seasoning, pepper, habanero pepper, turmeric, cayenne pepper, and some honey bourbon seasoning. We're going to mix all this together. It's going to be the rub for our steaks. I'll be back in a few minutes, folks. Hey, folks. All right. Now, a little tip for you. Your meat's only going to soak in what it's going to soak in within the first half hour to an hour. After that, it's not going to absorb anymore. So when they tell you marinate it for 24 hours, within half hour, 30 minutes to an hour, that's all it needs. All right, but we're going to go ahead and, thanks to Invader Coffee again, there will be a link in the bio. Grab you some coffee. It's good. We're going to go ahead. I got the rub here. Going to throw it on. We'll press it around. Little guy, he tried it. He's like, oh, it's a little spicy. You'll be all right. Once it cooks, you're good. But we're going to push it in to the meat. Press it. And we're going to go ahead. We're going to top it with some olive oil. And maybe pepper crust the edges. I don't know. I'm still debating. All right. We're going to throw these on the grill. And while these are on the grill, I'm going to go ahead and do up some bourbon shrimp flambe for you guys to go with the steaks. And maybe one day, I'll market my rub. Who knows? Eventually, me and my little buddy over here, I basically work, or whatever he's calling himself nowadays. I don't know. What are you calling yourself now?
Triton 1L.
Triton 1L. I still like him.
1L.
1L.
Mm-hmm. Even though my name's not Triton, but... Yeah.
Alright. So there's our rub on the steak. We're going to let these sit for about another 15 minutes just to absorb the spice. We'll go ahead and coat them with the olive oil and get them on the grill. And I won't paint you guys with the grill, but we're going to sear it at 450, but then we're going to turn the grill down to about 250 to finish cooking them off. Little guy, he decided he don't like rare, so we'll go medium this time. We'll make him happy. But be back with you folks in a little bit. We'll get the shrimp flambe going. Gonna go ahead and get these steaks on the grill. We'll be back soon. Throwing our steaks on the grill here. On a nighttime grill. I'm going to grill these up, and I'll be back with you in a bit. Hey guys, welcome back. Doing a little shrimp flambe here. A little Cajun spice, a little bourbon. Don't worry about getting your guests inebriated, because we're burning off the alcohol. You only want to cook your shrimp for about a minute or so. You don't want to overcook it. Alright. Cooking off that alcohol, folks. Oh yeah. Great to be back with you guys. Hope everyone's staying safe. All right. Our shrimp is good to go. We'll go ahead and get this plated. I'll be right back with you folks. See you in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back. Here you have it. Surf and turf. Flambe shrimp. Bourbon flambe shrimp. And we're going to go ahead. We're going to let Gunchy dive into the steak. But, you know, I'll go ahead and cut off a little piece for him. There, look at there, buddy. All right. And you know what? We're going to get him on camera munching. There's the Guncher.
This is great.
I'd like to thank you folks again for being on another episode of Cooking with a Reaper, your heavy metal chef. And thanks to our trusty cameraman, Gunchy over there, who's just mowing on that nice juicy steak. And that is a little cilantro lime rice underneath the shrimp. And we'll see you again next time, folks. God bless. Love you.